am Jasmine Janet. I came here at the Aerodyne to learn the course of drone pilot, and thanks to HiiLSE, I came through them. I came through them to learn this drone pilot, and throughout this course, I learned a very skillful and knowledgeable course because of the expert instructors who are there. We show them.
Hi, thank you very much, Aerodyne from HiiLSE Drone.
Yes, thanks to my instructors, they were very expert and they were very knowledgeable. Most of them are very friendly. Not most of them, all of them are very friendly. And also, I just passed my exam.
Oh,
And they
congratulations.
will just give the certificate right away after you finish the exam by CAAM. And yes, thank you so much. So for example, what kind of topic syllabus we will be studying is navigation, rules of air, meteorology, and the insurance, road insurance. So that are the examples of syllabus that we'll be learning here in this course. So yeah, just so thankful and grateful for the instructors, and also thanks to HiiLSE for getting me into this course. Thank you.